there, I'm Jossie from One Project Closer, and I'm here today to share with you some easy cleaning hacks for cleaning your outdoor ceiling fan. First things first, you want to consider using a good sturdy ladder. I'm using today a beautiful new ladder from Werner. It's a 5-in-1 telescoping 18-foot reach multi-position ladder with 375-pound capacity. So let me break that down for you. Basically, this ladder can function as 5 different ladders. You can use it on stairs, you can use it up against a wall, you can use 2 of them to create scaffolding. You can also use it as an extension ladder and a twin step ladder. The next things you're going to need are a good cleaner. I'm going to be using a mixture of vinegar, water, and thieves cleaner from Young Living. And you'll need some paper towels and a pillowcase. So first things first, I'm going to grab my cleaner. Oh, and as you can tell, I've just put a board between the ladder just to hold my stuff so I don't have to be coming down and up and worried about my cleaner falling or anything like that. So I'm going to climb up a little higher and hopefully you can still see my face. But I'm going to spray each of these spokes pretty good and saturate it, and I'm going to just turn it around and spray each of them. We're going to take our pillowcase, and again, I just grabbed, I don't know about you, but I have tons of old pillowcases that just sit around the house. And I'm going to also lightly spray the inside of the pillowcase because I just don't want these dust bunnies flying around everywhere. So I've sprayed the inside of this, and I'm going to take the pillowcase and I'm going to put it over top of the fan, and then I'm just going to hold the fan on one end and pull with my hand on the other. And I didn't get all the way. I'm going to bring it back and get the other side. My hands are kind of small, so I feel like I can only get a really good side of one. So you can see how it all came, whoop, you can see how it came off really easily, and you can see how dirty that is. So I'm just going to work my way around now, and the pillowcase keeps it all really contained so that you're not getting it flying all over the place, you're not getting it on you. And once you've gotten that done, you can just grab your paper towels and clean off the rest of it so that it's nice and clean. And I'll make sure and get both sides so it looks really like new. And that's it. That's how easy it is to clean your fan and make it like new. Thanks so much for joining us, and we hope you'll join us next time for some great tips, tools, and reviews. See you soon. Bye.